name first, then we'll go to the class.
Okay, sir.
Just inform them, call them. We'll check the name and I am just putting all the name is red with correct, then it will go to the time given one. Just wait. Then we will start. After the 5 minutes, we will start our class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So please, just wait for 5 minutes so that everybody can enter. Then we will start our class. By this time, if you have a friend, please send them. Today we are just correcting their name. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please, after that, we will start our class. Just 5 minutes. Within the 5 minutes, everyone, please. And please tell them, please join the class. Today is the correction, your certificate correction name. Name correction. That's why this is important. Because every day we will not do these things. Today, everyone, one by one, we will correct it. Then we will go to the class. Okay, I just correct the first name. Alvin Nidal, please check your name. Check your name, your ID 13106030. Alvin Nidal, your name is correct, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And your department, your phone number and your mail number, all are correct? Check it. If I need to make it more bigger, yes, I can, no problem.
Sir, the mail number is not active, sir. It's a mail.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, www.albinidal.
www dot. Okay,
Yes, sir.
www.alvinidal needle 1310 @gmail. Now it is okay?
No, sir. 1310 is not there.
Okay, that's good. That's why. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. So your name and everything okay. If you confirm, then I will make it black. It's confirmed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So the next one, 13106200. Yasir Arafat is present here. The next one, 13109075, Rashid Islam. Then next one, 13305 S.M. Tanvir Alam. Then 14109050, Proma Islam. Then next one, 15106063, Israt Jahan.
Yes, sir.
Please check your name and everything. Check
Yes,
it.
sir.
All okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Then Tofajjal Hussain, 15206035.
Sir, it's okay, sir.
Please check your mobile number, your any dot, any space, any problem. Please check it. It should be your SSC certificate wise, not the
Sir,
university. Yes.
স্যার এমডির পরে হচ্ছে স্পেসটা হবে না স্যার, মানে এমডি ডট ওই যে স্পেস একটা বিষয় আছে মেবি
On space, you need on space. It's on space. There is no space.
নো স্পেস
your certificate, please check it. If you in your house, please check it.
স্যার চেক করছি স্যার, স্পেস নো স্পেস স্যার, এমডি
No.
নো স্পেস।
Okay, this is like that.
ইয়েস স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay, thank you, please. That's why you are just giving these things.
ওকে স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
Thank you. Then 15309019 Khalilur Rahman. Then 16106028
16106028, sir. All things are correct, sir.
Please listen. A dot space yes or no? K dot space yes or no?
No space, sir. A dot K dot M dot. Then space Atikur Rahman.
Okay, thank you, Atikur, thank you. And your email number is okay. Please, everyone check your email because you need
Yes,
to
sir.
submit the final project. If the mail is wrong, it is your responsibility. Because last class I told everyone, please, we will correct it. Then Sadia, Dristi, 16106062. If your someone friend, please inform them. Atikur Rahman, please. If you know that, okay, student, please call that student because today we will just check the name. Then 16106077. Kaji MD.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ikram,
Sir,
please tell me.
স্যার মেল চেক মানে মেলটা চেঞ্জ করতে হবে স্যার, এই মেলটা অ্যাক্টিভ নাই স্যার।
Please listen. Before that first name, Kaji MD dot space dot Ikram dot Hassan. Look at this thing. Hossein, all are okay?
হ্যাঁ, অল আর ওকে স্যার, অনলি
Okay.
মেল স্যার।
Okay, now tell me your name.
স্যার কেএম আইডিটা আইটি থাকবে না স্যার, আইডিটা থাকবে না।
Then
কেএম ইকরাম, কেএম
Sir, is the
KM
IQRAM
IQRAM
6077।
6077. Look at these things. Now it is okay, yes or no?
Yes sir.
KM Ikram
sir?
677.
Is that thing similar to SSC certificate, sir?
Yes. According to your SSC certificate. Now Ikram, it is all, everything okay?
Sir, only 77 sir.
You told me the sixth.
Sir, only 77.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I'm just correcting this thing. Don't worry. Now okay?
Yes sir. Now okay sir.
Okay, now I'm just wait on. Yes, tell me.
Sir,
Atikur Rahman.
sir, is that the name will be similar?
No sir. Yes, IUV sir @gmail.com sir.
That's why, please. Okay now?
No sir. Thank you sir.
Okay. Yes, Atikur Rahman. What happened?
Yes, sir. Sir, is that the name will be similar to our SSC and
Exactly. Then next is Debabrata Das. 16106081. Please, we are checking these things. After the check, we are not responsible for that. If anyone absent, that is his or her matter. 16206036, Doshimuddin. Tell me, Atikur Rahman.
sorry for my bad networking support, sir. But after A and K, there will be space, sir. Sorry, sir. I check
A
my
dot
certificates right now, sir. There is a
A
space.
dot Every
There
space.
is space. Yes,
Like
sir.
that?
A dot space, then K dot, then space, then M dot,
Yes.
then
Yes,
space, sir.
we know that, but you are writing that thing, that's why. Okay, okay, thank you. And but in your name, you also do this type of wrong thing. Look at this thing. Okay, then Devabroto Das, Joshimuddin,
Yes, sir.
Tamim Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
please tell
MD
me.
MD dot space Tamim Hussain.
Wait. Space, then Tamim Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Then your mail and everything, okay?
Yes, sir. Everything okay.
Oh, so I just confirm this thing and okay. Hadia Islam, Shanta, Sajjad Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Everything is okay, sir. Sajjad
Oh.
Hussain.
Your name, then your email number and everything. Check it.
Yes, sir. Everything is okay.
Okay. Mustafa Anwar. Then Sadia Akhtar Papia.
স্যার মেইলের এসটা ছোট হাতের হবে স্যার।
Wait. Your first checked ID.
আর স্যার ঠিক আছে স্যার।
Okay,
sir.
name and everything. Okay. Then S is small. Okay, no problem.
Yes,
S
sir.
is small. Just a minute. Because you are just facing so many problems. That's why you are just checking it again. Okay. Then MD Ariful Islam. Amit Pal Joy.
Yes, sir. Sir, everything is okay, sir.
Everything, first to last, everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then MD Marufuzzaman. Mahadi Hassan. Please, my request to everyone, please, if your friend is absent, please call them. Okay, please call them to join the class. Okay, Mahadi Hassan. Amirul Islam, MD. Amirul Islam is present.
Yes, sir.
Amirul Islam present. Okay, please check it.
Sir, everything is okay, but I need to change the mobile number, sir.
Okay,
This
mobile number.
number
Okay,
is
please.
lost.
Okay, please tell me. No problem. If you change the mobile number, no problem. Tell me.
01818
01818
75
75
2442.
2442.
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Just wait. Then next one, Ariful Islam.
Everything is okay, sir.
Okay, your mobile number, your ID and everything. Okay. Dhananjay Barmon, Dhiman, please tell me now.
Sir, yes, sir. I have, sir, here, sir. Yes, sir. One A, sir, spelling what, sir, is beshi, sir. DHANANJOY, sir. Sir, J টাকে স্যার একটা এ কাটা যাবে স্যার। Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
sir.
That's all. Look at this thing. If the mistake spelling is just going to your certificate, then again 4 months you need to wait. Because every 4 months after we are just making the certificate. Okay. Dhananjay Barman, Dhiman, your mobile number, your all are okay now. Email number is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. All is
thank
okay, sir.
Thank you. Now the next one. 15306020 MD space Atikur Rahman. Okay, then Azrin Pratyasha Urmi. Urmi is present. Then next one, Nur Naim Siddiqui.
Yes, sir.
Please check it. Please, my dear student, check it.
Sir, everything is okay there.
Everything okay? Listen. Okay. Everything, your email number, everything okay. Now I'm
Yes, sir.
just confirm it as a okay. Next on, Rakibul Islam. Rakibul Mustarin Ahmed. Please, my request to everyone, please, Sibyl, if you are same ID group, please, same batch, please inform them. Shapla Akhtar, you are facing any internet problem for logging? Because the same code I just send it to you. Okay. Shapla Akhtar, check it.
My phone problem.
Wait. Your name is okay?
Yes, sir. Okay. Name is okay. Mail is okay. All are okay, sir. No problem.
No. Listen, because when we send you mail for the final time, that is the project. That's why you need to confirm it.
Yes, sir.
Mobile number.
Confirm.
Okay, confirm. Thank you. Thanks. Humayun Kabir,
Yes, sir.
I think your MD, there is a space. Please check your SSC certificate. We have another 20 minutes. Check it if you are in the.
Yes, sir. I will check, sir. Then I will confirm you, sir. You may
Okay, please
continue.
confirm it. Please check it. Then MD Abdul Kader Pritom.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, everything okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Everything is okay.
Your email number and everything okay? Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, if you please, if suppose someone correct it, maybe you are checking your certificate, then don't hesitate. Please inform me. No problem within the time. No problem. Please, any space fast checking. From them, the Bishojit, please, if you know that Nusrat Nadi, please inform within the class time. Then Mohammadullah.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Also,
Sir, Nusrat
everything is
Khanam
okay, sir.
Wait, one by one, please. I will give you the whole time to check it. Don't worry, one by one. Please, Mohammadullah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes or no? Everything, your
Yes,
mail
sir.
number. Okay.
All are okay, sir.
Okay, now F section, anyone left? Tell me one by one. First
Sir,
one,
Nusrat Khanam.
your Nusrat Khanam.
Last.
Yes, please, Nodi, please tell me. Everything
Sir, I want to change my mobile number, sir.
okay, please tell me the mobile number.
01
01
722
722
10.
10. Now it is okay, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Everything is okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
So
sir.
please, Mushfiq, now tell me. Or please check it. Humayun
Sir,
Kabir,
yes, sir.
tell me.
Sir, yes, sir. There will be a space, sir.
Okay, thank you. Any other correction?
Hello,
Sir. No, sir. All is
Okay,
okay,
now
sir.
I'm just confirming. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
স্যার আমি স্যার এখন স্যার একটু সার্টিফিকেটটা চেক করলাম স্যার আমার একটু কারেকশন করতে হবে এমএসটি
Okay,
শামিমা
please tell me.
এমএসটি শামিমা পারভিন স্যার
Okay.
আমার 79
Your this section or another?
He's from section E.
Section E. Okay, wait. Section F. F. Section F. Anyone left? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, I'm just going to the section E again.
Yes, sir. Maruf Chaman.
Wait, one by one. Okay, please. I think we need to wait for some time so that. And today, just who are the present, I will give the 5-mark bonus. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
5 marks bonus for them. They have the problem in first term. Okay, don't worry. We will add it in the first term area.
Sir, in the first term, in the folder, I do not write the section, sir. After that, I edit that, and I think it was a problem.
Okay. I'm just opening it. Your section?
No, sir, not here. No, sir, not here, sir. Sir, I told in the first time when I am submitting that time I changed the folder name. That is the problem, sir.
Okay, today, who are the present? 5-mark bonus. Okay, no problem. So now, please look at these things. Last class we finished that type of things. Today we will learn some of the things, that is tools. We will use the tools. There is so many tools. Just listen. Then data management tools. Then features. So many items is there. How to copy, how to line to polyline, so many things you can. Features to point, everything you can do it. Check geometry, so many things is here. And suppose as for example, just make the minimize then. Look at your boundary. This is the boundary, please. How to make it polygon. If your boundary, everything is okay, you can make it as a polygon. Okay, we checked it. Just polygon. How to make it polygon, as for example. If everything okay, if there is no gap, within that area, then it will give you the polygon. How to make the polygon. If any problem, then it will not create. Okay, so I am just use the tools, features to polygon. Okay, then okay.
Sir, will you repeat it again, sir, please?
Wait, don't worry. I just check these things. How to make it, listen, look at the screen. This is the arc toolbox. This is the arc toolbox. Then where you need to go, we don't know. It is okay, yes or no. After the application, yes, we can evaluate that, yes, it is okay. Because we don't know. Then you need to correct it. So where you need to go, please, data management tool. Then you need to go to the features. First is data management tools, then features. Then features to polygon. Okay? Features to line. So many things. Look. Features to polygon. We don't know it is okay, yes or no, we don't know. Then you need to save it. Where you need to save it? This is the wrong path. Save areas is wrong path. So you need to go to your folder. Suppose This is your folder, and this is boundary areas. This is your file.
Administration features, sir.
Where is your boundary?
Sir, in administration features.
Administration feature.
Administrative feature. Okay. No problem. Then boundary. Then suppose boundary. Please, we don't know it is okay, yes or no. Just I am giving the boundary underscore poly. Don't worry. Don't apply these things. We'll check it first and wait for some time. So look at these things. Some of the portion is okay. That's why it makes a polygon, not the other thing. So you have a some gap within that area. Okay, I'm just giving this line, make it as a line, then we can search it. Where is the problem? We need to search it. Start edit and search it. So look at this areas. This is the problem. Okay, I am just solve these things before. I am just copy another file. Copy another file. Look at these things. How to copy it? Features to copy. Copy features. Because your original file, I'm just put it input here and save it. Boundary underscore, because we need to delete something from here. Complete. Okay. Now I'm just unchecked it and look, here is the problem, because when you open it, you are just doing something. So you need to delete some of the portion.
Sir, here in between the line you will see gaps, sir. There may be a school or something, sir.
No,
Going through
or something, but you need to draw it. You need to draw it. And you split these things. Look at this thing, this line. You need to split here. And again, draw the line. This is the editing areas part. Save edit. We do not need it.
Only district boundary is okay, sir?
Only district boundary you need it.
Yes, sir. I also draw only district boundary.
That's why last class I told you, please Draw it. And this time another split you need it here. That's why we are just using the practical thing so that if any problem occur, we can solve it.
Yes, sir.
Now we are just try to check it, any problem, yes or no, we don't know. If, look at this thing, there is another gap. We need to find out this gap every time. Find out, suppose here is the thing, no problem, you need to draw it here. Save it. Again check it. How to check it? You can check it easily because you have an ending point and a start point. Look at this thing. This is the ending point. And you can check it if okay, yes or no. Okay, then again, you can click it and check it. Then again, so we think more or less it is okay. Now I am just save it. If not, next class we will try. Don't worry. We will check it. And again, don't worry about it. Now we will go to the again, go to the tools. Then features to polygon. Again boundary one. Go to the this area. Suppose PL1 we are putting on. Save and okay. Now it's a problem. So there is some gap is also here. We need to check it again. It takes so much time. I'm just using another thing. So please, everyone, my request to everyone, check it. Your every item. If any gap, it will not create any polygon. Okay? My concept is clear, everyone, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes,
sir.
Please try it at your house, then you can. Because other map. What is the problem? I need time to check it. Okay, then it will automatically come because we don't know what is the problem. I am just checking. This is I am applying another things. That is not the actually correct thing. That's why I am just move these things to find out which type of things. Wait. Look at this thing. This is the shape it will come. Okay. Look at this thing. Now it is clear. But
Yes, sir.
what is the problem? You need to find out that. So next class we will learn how to make it. Please before that try to check it. Your
Sir.
any gap. Yes, tell me.
How can I change the colors?
Oh, how to change the color? If you clicked it, then you can just go to that areas and you can change it.
Okay, sir. Sir, I check it and it's all right.
Okay, so please, how to make the boundary? Next class, I will find out the problem. What is the problem here? Okay, I will check. Yes.
Please roll my name, sir.
Wait. One by one, please. Now it is okay. Now I am just going to the name correction area. If anyone left, then we will again correct it. Okay, section E. Anyone left?
The promise now.
Okay, promise now. Yes, tell me.
Sir, serial number 31, sir.
Wait. One by one, I will go there. Promise, please tell me your ID, your
Serial
name.
number 5.
Yes, check it.
Yes, sir. This is.
Serial
Yes,
number 2, sir.
everything yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any
Time at present?
This is your mail number.
No, sir. It's not my main number.
That's why, please, this mail number, please, maybe someone. Please tell me your mail number.
The promise Islam 999.
Wait. Roma Islam
999
999.
at the rate gmail.com.
So that please. Okay, now check it.
Sir, my phone number also not correct.
Phone number, okay?
No, sir. Not okay.
Please tell me.
079
079
3535
3535
807.
807. Oh, sorry. 807.
7.
Now it is okay?
Yes, sir.
So everything okay, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm just making it black. Okay. So another, tell me the name. Serial 31.
Sir, serial number 31, sir. MD Masum Bilal, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir,
What is
MD
it?
dot space, sir.
Yes, I already gave it.
Sir, serial number 13, sir. 31, sir.
31, I know that. You already finished it. Okay.
Yes, sir. MD dot space, sir.
Okay, MD dot space, I already gave it. Anyone from the section
Yes, sir.
E?
Okay, sir. Answer.
Section E?
Serial number 2, sir.
Yes, tell me. Yes, Arafat. Serial number 2 for which section? A for E?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me.
Sir, no dot. MD dot space. Okay, sir.
This is your name,
Yes, sir.
but Yasir Arafat, you are Yasir Arafat.
Yes.
You are Shahin Alam. Why you are correcting
No,
other?
no, sir. My laptop phone, sir.
So this is your name, but your ID 17306022. This is not you.
স্যার এটা আমার আইডি আমার ইয়ে স্যার আমি অন্য একজনের মেইল দিয়ে ঢুকছি স্যার আমার আইডি ফোন আর ল্যাপটপ হারিয়ে গেছে
Okay. So 1310. So Yasir, everything okay?
ইয়েস স্যার এভরিথিং
But I need to make it here by other phone because
স্যার
you are correcting it by other phone. Okay. Anyone from the section E? Anyone from the section F? Okay, so thank you everybody. Please inform the others.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, serial number 1, sir.
Who is serial number 1? Section E or
Section
F?
F, sir. Section F, sir.
Yes. On. Yes, Suchitra Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me, Suchitra Sarkar.